Welcome back to my channel. We are back again on a new video reaction. I just want to share this with us because I wanted to react on another video. Then I came across this video from Emeka Gift, as you can see, Emeka Gift official, and he said, sentenced to death by hanging, a boy's son says his hands are clean, plead to general public for help. Igbo brother from Ebonyi State in Iza has been sentenced to death by hanging for crime he did not commit. He is currently in Kirikiri maximum prison in Lagos. Okay, he needs our help. In case you want to contact him, no, I can get your contact, so you can call. But why I'm writing on this, if this is true, because I don't trust anything from these people. To be honest with you, I'm not gonna lie. I don't trust anything, but that is not to say that I have verified and it is a lie. So if you can lend that help, if it is true, do your investigation properly. Don't say that I'm the one that shared it on my platform and they scam you. But I'm not saying it's a scam. I'm just neutral. The way you are confused is the way I am confused about this. But there's something I want to say based on the person that shared this video, which is the Emeka Gift official, one of the invisible freedom fighter, Biafran agitator, according to them. We all can tell what their agitation is all about, but I don't want to make this video to become issue about the DOS and the group. Why I'm trying to say, react on this is because of the issue that they have ignored in the past. Now, the guy on the video is the person in question, so I would like to play the video so that you are going to listen to what he said. But he said what he said is in Igbo language. So if you don't understand Igbo language, please pardon me. Okay? Now listen.
Afam bụ Samson Ogochukwu Igwe. Abụ m onye Ebonyi steeti from Eza. Onye mee 270 ka m chọrọ ịkọrọ unu. Biko nyere m aka. Ọ nọ n'Ịcha ka m nọ, Anambra steeti. Onye nwoke nọ na Lagos a, o choose Vivian Okonkwo, Imo steeti. Si m na mgbagote Lagos. Ọ chọrọ m ezigbo ọrụ, because onwe ezigbo ọrụ na-arụ na Anambra steeti. Mgbe gbagote Lagos 270 na wee chọrọ m ọrụ ebe a na-akpọ Lekki Phase 1 na Lagos a. Mgbe bido na-arụ ọrụ ebe a as a security gate man, mgbe rụba ọrụ ebe a, ama m na the boy nwere plan ọzọ. O ruo one day ọ bịa iti mmadụ 4 ka m na-abịa na-eme ejide m nke m ụdọ, asị na ndị egosi ha ndị na-arụ ọrụ n'oyi a ka ọ chedebe n'aka m, mgbanye mma kpọrọ ha jegosi ha ndị na-arụ ọrụ, o wee zuo ndị oru, zuo ha oru buru ma moto ha. So ka ha na-apụ eburu mma tikpo m na-ime boot. O ruo gbapụ n'ụzọ, ọkpọpụta m ya were 100,000 nye m, si na mmanya dị mma, nna bakwa ya isi bag agbafuo mara amanụ m, si mba ka nna chi azụ n'ụlọ nke ọkwa na aka dị tis wee mee. So wee gbazie na chi azụ na the house ebe nye secure as security. Wee rukwa ebe a kọwara aka dị tis ka a na-afụ m ejide m kpọọ polisi bịa nke ọrụ polisi asị na anyị chara nne maka izu wee plan ahụ. So from there akpọrọ m jee court, from court mladụ to prison 217 na plan. So from there, I brought court, from court, to prison since 2017 now. And one mother, after when the lawyer said just stand in the court. So, but then I can try and do catch here. Can't you? Hana, what I want to pass some. I'm on my care, as now as Nama Macana in the plancha. So, they got born the behind the lawyer. I let you call since 2017 now. So, last month, 31st of October. Ikeja High Court. It is check money for sentence someone dead by hanging. As normal important did this good. And the one year now, because on the boy and marker, no marker, because every my German because
you see, this story is very, very touching. Very, very, very touching. And why? Because it has to do with another person. Imagine a country that can free people that are caught red-handed. Stealing from people, robbing people, according to the story that he said here. Then the court discharged the four people and now sentenced this one to buy. Wow, that is that is strange to be honest. How possible is that? But guess what? It is possible because it's Nigeria. It is Nigeria. So, but the main issue that that I want us to understand, let me just say it, the main reason why I'm writing on this video is because of Emeka Gift and DOS. Now, it is very, very clear that they are waiting for PM to react on this. Why is it difficult for DOS? I mean, the highest leadership in IPOB. When issue of leadership surface, they start hiding. All of them they start hiding. I want Emeka Gift and his people, I mean, to share, to do something reasonable, show us the leadership quality of DOS. Because you don't just be a leader without leading anything. After the kidnap of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, DOS have not achieved any one goal, like one single thing for the benefit. Forget about Simon Ekpa. Forget about Biafran community. Forget about Biafran struggle now. What have you guys done for Igbo people? Like that, what have you done that people will say, wow? When somebody hear that, the person will say, wow, these people are doing the needful. What exactly can we just point at? What exactly can we point hand and say, okay, this one, they got it right. In fact, they have done well. One thing, because issue of injustice on Igbo people, the only person challenging that at the moment, not governors, not House of Reps members, not even a senator, not deputy governor, no politician, not even those religious leaders, none of them. Mbaka tried and they stopped him by criticizing him that he insulted P2B. Between P2B and Mbaka, who is more valuable in Igbo land? I mean, who can we say, yes, Igbo people can benefit something meaningful from? Is it Mbaka or P2B? But I want them, anyway, on this issue, even if they have not done any other thing in the past, DOS should pick up this challenge and fight and release this guy at all costs. Can they do that? Their own is to post it and wait for who will take action. And once the person start taking the action, they want to take the glory. Next thing, they will start telling you that they are farmers. They're encouraging people to farm. They will look for people, our women or our farmers that harvest okra. They will say, madam, wait, let us take picture. They will snap that one. After you harvest akede. Madam, how much is your akede? Oh, this akede is very good. Take the picture. And they post it that DOS have done a very good job in our land to push farmers to push people to start farming. People who don't even know the season to farm, because most of them grow up in a township. That's why they are behaving. Because anybody that, if you grow up in a village, you know the custom and the culture of our land. You know that some of the things that they are doing now is not the way of our life. Anyway, I want to share this video so that Emeka Gift and people like him, of course, I will have many DOS lovers on my platform. So please, you guys should do something on this one. Even if you don't even if you don't have any power to do any other thing. You see this guy, this Igbo, this our brother in a Creek Arena, according to the information that they shared here. Take it up. Don't share. Don't tell people to call if you want to help. Like what Emeka said, in case you want to contact him. No. Send it to IPOB DOS leadership to do something. Chike Dozim and his deputy, all of you should gang up now so that our people will start listening to you. Do something. Let us see. Na Ikego. The leadership on paper. Anyway, my people, tell me what you think about this, and I want to share it. Like I said, like the video, subscribe if you are new. God bless you. Bye bye for now.